Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to see a pedagogical activity in distributed system. Myself Kanimoli from CSE department 3rd year, and I will be guiding you throughout this session. Welcome to the quiz time. The first question is, in distributed system, each processor has its own memory. We are provided with 4 options, and let's see which is the right option. I'm selecting the first option, which is local memory. And yes, that's the right answer. Next question is, what is not true about a distributed system? All processes are synchronized. Yes, that's the right answer. Next question, what is not a major reason for building distributed systems? Simplicity. Yes, that's the right answer. What is a common problem found in distributed systems? It's nothing but a deadlock problem. Yes, the answer is right. The next one, what are the design issues in distributed system structure? Let's say clustering. Oh no, the answer is wrong. Going back to the question again. Let's go with all of the mentioned. Yeah, that's the right answer. Next one, computer system of a parallel computer is capable of decentralized computing. Yeah, that's the right answer. Writing parallel program is referred to as parallel programming. Yes, that's the right answer. A state in which a process has finished its computation and will not restart any action unless it receives a message is called locally terminated state. And yes, the answer is right. If a process is executing in its critical section, no other process can execute in its critical section. Yes, the answer is right. The next one, a process can enter in its critical section when it receives a reply message from all the other processes in the system. Yes, that's the right answer. A message that arrives at a process must eventually be delivered to the process. This criteria is called liveliness. Next, if a multicast algorithm requests the sender to be a part of the destination group, the multicast algorithm is said to be a closed group algorithm. If a program is written for an asynchronous system, say a FIFO system, will it still execute correctly? Communication is done by synchronous primitive instead in a case of only a possibility of deadlock occurs. Next, In the space-time diagram of a distributed computation, a zigzag line joining one arbitrary point on each process is termed as cuts. Yes, that's right. The past contains all the events to the left of the cut. Proceeding with the next one. The future contains all the events to the dash of the cut to the right of the cut. Yes, that's the right answer. And now we have reached the end of the session. Roughly, we have crossed about 20 questions and we have discussed the answers for that. I hope you have enjoyed this session. Thank you.